I want to talk about this kid's water dental flosser from COSLUS. This thing's pretty cool. Ordered it for my son, and I think he's really going to enjoy it. Make it a little bit easier for him to keep his teeth clean. It comes with the main unit. You've got a charging cord, some adapters, and some stickers too. And it's really easy to use. You pop it open, you fill it up, and there's a button that you press. And you're going to see in a minute, the power on this is pretty impressive. This is actually in my bathroom, and as I turned it on, I was not quite ready for the power, and I got the walls very wet in my bathroom. So just to show you the power this has, I brought it outside, and you can see it's on the 10 to 12 age rating now, and you can adjust that. But you can see you can get some distance out of it. It's got some good pressure. I think my son's really going to enjoy this. If your young one needs a water pick, please click on the link in the description below.